This is the wrap-up for October 2nd. Friday, it's Jobs Day in the US. Very important day, as always, the first Friday of the month. But before jobs, we have previous data. Jobless claims in the US came out as expected, but manufacturing PMI disappointed with 50.2 points. It shows that the United States manufacturing sector, as other places in the world, is on the verge of contraction. We're still expecting a hike in 2015 from the Fed, because that's what Williams told us again, repeating what we heard from Dudley and what we heard from Yellen. News from elsewhere was quite as expected in Australia. And Draghi, which likes to move markets, he didn't do anything specific at his recent speech. We'll hear from him next week as well. In general, as aforementioned, global manufacturing doesn't look good at all. It's not only China. Markets are very, very tense towards the non-farm payrolls. That means ranges are very, very narrow, and we're expecting them to explode. There's more political pressure and on the Bank of Japan to ease monetary policy as the recession looks real, and we don't have bad news from China because they're on holiday. Today we had construction PMI from the UK. It came in better than expected, 59.9 points. It was a small positive reaction on pound dollar and a few other pound crosses, but nothing extraordinary. And the big event of the day is non-farm payrolls, followed by factory orders and a speech by Stanley Fischer. NFP figures we're looking. Their figures for September, the last month of Q3. 203,000 is expected, better than August, and we're expecting a significant upwards revision for August. That's because of past behavior. Okay, unemployment rate is expected to remain unchanged at 5.1, but that's also a factor of the low participation rate, which is also expected to remain unchanged at 62.6. More importantly, average hourly earnings are expected to rise 0.2 month over month, and the bigger focus is on the year over year. It was 2.2, and hopefully we'll see it rise to 2.4%. This is, of course, guidance towards the Fed's decision in December. We'll need a really big surprise in order to change expectations for that. But who knows? Maybe we'll have a breakout of wages, if not jobs, and it'll be positive. Maybe we'll have weak jobs, and it'll be, of course, negative. Other figures: U6 unemployment rate stands at 10.3%, and hopefully it'll fall a bit more. It's on a downtrend, which is a good thing. Employment in the United States, unemployment is falling. Average work week is expected to remain at 34.6, unchanged. Contrary to previous months, we don't have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI before the NFP, so we had a few less hints. So maybe we'll see a stronger reaction. Okay, and Monday we have more Fed speak. Let's for this wrap just mention a few charts very quickly. Euro dollar is squeezing in a triangle in range. Bigger range is 111, 113, or even bigger 114.60 to 108.10. Maybe we'll see it explode. Pound dollar is, well, it had so many consecutive days of falls. Now it's rising a bit. Let's see what happens. The pound is sensitive to an interest rate hike in the US. Dollar yen, yeah, daily chart. This 120 level is very dominant. The pair is hugging this level. Will it explode this time? Still to be seen. We did have movement in dollar CAD. We had a correction after breaking to an 11-year high. So now we're over 200 pips below the peak of 134.60. Canada depends a lot on demand from the United States. Aussie dollar is a bit above this 70 level, and we have double bottom at 69.30, and we have 71 is stronger resistance. And Kiwi dollar, which I personally follow, I don't know if you guys, it has also moved up because of improving stock markets in the past 2 days. 64 is now weak support, then followed by 63 and 65 to the upside. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for the week, actually. So thank you very much, everybody, for coming. Feedback, negative, positive, is always welcome. To me or to Mauricio of FX3, who runs the show, you're welcome to post charts, to ask for more fundamentals, more technicals, whatever you wish. We'll try to listen and improve every time. And good luck with for everybody on Jobs Day. So that's it for today, and happy and safe trading.